If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it so that more people can discover.
What the f are you doing?
It says, what the f are you doing? Send it?
No.
I won't send it.
How are you? Good. We're running late to the helipad. Okay. Easy. Now he's gonna get a cat. Okay. Yep.
But I have a complicated issue today. I have noticed that it's
Sorry, sir. Just give me a second. Sorry, sir. Just give me a second.
Alright, well, I knew Suzanne coming was going to be a significant issue.
Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember the sad things. I've seen fire, I've seen rain.
Nothing, I just ran over a bunch of shit that fell out of his friggin' car.
Pero era en banca.
Sí. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Sabías que iba a usar?
Sí, la salida ese.
¿La viste?
Ay, man.
some great things in store. Don't lose heart.
What are you doing, dude?
Don't let my degree or...
Are we doing a pod today? And I was like, yeah. And you're like,
that's
oh, yeah, that.
No, I didn't. No,
Don't say oh, just say yo.
No, I literally called and said, "Are we doing the podcast?" I didn't
No,
say,
you did.
"What's up, dude?" No, I said, "What's up, you hoe?" That's what I said. And then you didn't respond with the same energy. You're like, "What's up?" I was like, "All right."
I was pushing.
That's
I was pooping.
crazy.
I told you I was pooping.
You did admit that.
Okay.
But
and
that
then
was.
you were like, oh yeah, we got the pod today. You good? You good? All right.
That was close. You bet I'll be pulling that recording.
Pregunta fuera del micrófono. Hemos tenido personas que han saltado la verja en el pasado. Les vamos a dar las cifras. En todos los casos, debo decir, en el pasado, las personas fueron aprendidas rápidamente, pero les daremos esa información.
My God!
Like, scared of wind.
Are you? Sorry.
Yeah.
Wow, wait till you see the video of that one. I'd have tried.
What's that? Jesus Christ!
Are you stupid?